You better invest in you a selfie stick.
Fuck a selfie stick. My arm works good enough.
Fuck that.
No, we seen some white
Fuck
bitches
a
last
weak
night,
ass
bro.
selfie
It was
stick.
turned up last night.
Baby moolah.
White
In
hoes
this
turned
bitch.
up last night.
I'm recording.
No, what the?
Oh,
Bro.
shit.
Got him. Got him.
Taking pictures, though.
I'm trying to get serious.
Joy rolled up and shit. We just said, like this video, y'all.
I'm trying to get serious as hell, boy.
Got him.
Come on.
Damn, we all fried and shit.
You nigga fake, dog. Got him.
Man, what that one say? See, Sharee got tattoos up there. Don't even know what she having, though.
Oh, that's a Lucas.
Hakuna Matata. I got it because it means no way.
Where they gonna be, man?
Let me go ahead and get my money. My
Like
whole here.
40 times.
I'm about to get tattooed a couple days ago.
Go
Tattooed
past.
me around that bullshit.
Niggas know what it
Real
is.
niggas on.
I do this shit, nigga.
Chop.
Say
What?
this mama do chop for sure.
Keezo Dinero. Ace Carter.
No. Say it.
Barbird.
Banging Dre De Niro. Fuck it.
Nigga, shoot on nigga pause.
Baby Moolah, rejuvenated, back in his own, 2015, get ready.
Real bosses, nigga.
What y'all need to do is buy a ticket to my goddamn show.
Wrap your ass up.
That's what y'all need
You
to
would have
do.
had me, bro, but that stomach would have.
I got one left, but I'm about to re-up, though. Better get yours.
I know a lot of defense moves.
Everything I get on is a motherfucking classic.
All the real niggas, they ones.
They see over there and
They
turn.
ones only roll with your bloodline.
I'm Keezo De Niro, nigga.
El Chapo.
Yep.
It's gonna snow today.
Oh yeah, yup.
Where the weed at? We can't find no weed.
Fuck no. Say hell
We on Abington, Chicago.
Fuck that snow shit.
Looking for that herby.
Some blocks in
All the weed mans be on
Some black
bullshit.
bitch getting our ass beat whoop. Getting our ass whooped on.
Then be feeling some type of way when niggas start going to other niggas.
That's not about cut our grass over there. That's my nigga Derek Green. Nigga that nigga right there. That nigga finna cut our grass right there.
That's the girl I just said on shit.
Who was that?
That's his girl.
Same last game, remember?
Oh.
We about to get my body.
They out here chilling with Baby Moolah and shit. About the different shit and whatnot. Peace.